Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik robot discovery. Well, robot built with fischertechnik, based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux. Lately I have been trying to get pictures with colors and gaining access to the controller. Finding that the color separation, which is the purpose of the algorithm, part of the algorithm, that is not working nicely. So with the robot back on the floor, I found that I have gained access to the controller again and rolling, and that is where I am now again at. Last time I also compared the algorithm to the one of the walking robot, which carries the same controller, same model of controller. Had to do some changes in the algorithm, but ready to roll again. So let's see how we go, how I go, how the robot goes this time. Alright, so with the controller up and running, as you can see on the display, pointed at objects, and you can find here something that you could see in the previous videos. Not able to access the video, or not able to access the controller. So what I'm going to do is shut it off and put it power it on again and see whatever happens, because this is not to my liking at all. So I'm going to do it step by step. This is the first image that I have after booting. Do I get access to it? Host verification fails again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, in here I'm going to remove this one, which is strange, by the way, because just prior to starting the recording I already did this. So let's see whatever happens this time. Yes, I'm sure. Password. And I'm in. Now that is strange. But there's one difference. Last time, so prior to this boot, I went straight to the default display. Straight here. And then going to security and enabling SSH daemon as well as the VNC server. And then I didn't get access. Now I booted and tried to get access, and now it works. So that's a difference. The end connection is closed. Host verification fails. Oh wow. That is a strange thing. So I am going back. And going back here. Once again. Okay. So once again. Delete. Yes. Password. Probably a fail. Yep, a fail. Okay, so reboot. Or better, shut down and then boot again. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, so now I am back into the start. Right here. Can I get access? Probably not right away. Nope. First, once again, this. No. Delete. Yes. Oh, that's not a good sign. But I'm in. Yes, I'm in. Can I run the software? That is a very big question now. Okay, let me get in here. Yes. Oh, that's a nice one. Setting the date. Hold on. Is back to our, I don't want it. Date. Okay, that is by now. And it is now the 13th. Time is 14:04. Alright, that means that all pictures taken are now accurate in time and date. So, I am going to run it, if possible. Probably not. Probably I will have a problem now. Well, the fan runs. And here stays. It doesn't go any further. What if I now go here Okay, I'm now into the default screen. It doesn't do a thing. I am cancel, run again. What happens this time? Camera connected. I didn't get the last time. And now it works. There we go. And boom. Alright, so now with this setup I have to pull it slightly back, say an object in the middle right here so it touches the sensor, and I'm going to do it once again. No, wrong password. Yeah, okay. And boom. That is what you call a collision. But it, okay, it is touched but not impressed. So let's put it like this, see whatever happens. And yes, everything will be sped up without all those passwords typing in, but anyway, let's check for images. Given the results from last time, I don't have very much hopes that it will be alright, but let's see anyway. That is today. How many? Not that many. So I will start at 5. Okay. Far away. Not bad. Then, okay, yeah, very poor. And I want to see this. This is not very nice. Not very nice at all. And mind you, I did some code changing. So yes, it works, but no, it doesn't work correctly. Okay, next. Image will be, which one is next? Something 7 and then 21, okay. And then this one will be 7 and 21. Yeah, equally as bad. But it means with the very strange way I have to set it, it does work. Question is why, and I should ask in forum, but last time I didn't even get an answer, so I will have to well, compare the settings of this part with the walking robot, because I got a pretty nice result from there, to see if those are equal or have to be adapted. And then I probably have better results. I do hope so. But I wonder why I have such bad access to it and why. Anyway, I've got it running. OpenCV is well, to be improved. And with these strange results and way to get the controller running, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please see the description under the video. You can support by becoming a patron and via donating via either PayPal or IBAN. This is obviously going to be continued in some way. Probably first improving the algorithm with some different values of the colors. Anyway, that's for next time. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye.